Don't be scared. If it's your first time visiting my channel, my name is Collins Montari. I'm an advertiser and also a movie maker, but specialized on only latest horror movies that are being produced, and I post them to my channel. One thing that I want to assure you you'll be able to benefit from by visiting my channel is that you'll be able to see a movie that has been produced like 1 week ago, 1 day ago, or even 1 hour ago. So don't sit there being bored, having nothing to watch, and you like horrors. All you have to do is just to subscribe to my channel, click on the bell, turn on the notification, and you'll be notified anytime I post a new movie trailer and give you the link to download the whole movie. So please just watch the whole movie, subscribe, click on the bell, turn on the notification, and I usually post new horror movies every day. And if you see there's amazing content in my channel, just don't forget to comment below. I'll reply you and I'll show you in my next post. You'll be able to see the missing content. Thank you.